what you've got to think of is we're doing everything we can to get this out of the body because it's something that's bad for our cells. Alcohol is toxic to all of our body cells. The drugs, depending on what they are, that depends on how bad they are for us. But paracetamol is an example of a drug which can be quite toxic, and that is one which is conjugated or stuck together with another chemical, glucuronic acid or sulfate, to get rid of it from the body, to break it down, to detoxify it. If you take excess amounts of paracetamol, it can overwhelm this pathway, so the pathway can't cope quick enough and it can lead to toxicity. That's why you're only ever sold packets of paracetamol in 16 at a time. They won't give you, if you try and order more packets from like Tesco's or something, they will only sell you 2 packs at a time because there's such a high risk. It's so easy to overdose on it. It's a really dangerous drug. So the other thing it does is excrete metabolites. These are things that are produced in the body. So we spoke about it earlier on when we were saying that excretion, I think we were talking about digestion. I think in 2 or 3 sessions ago, we were talking about digestion of waste from the digestive system. We're saying that we don't call that excretion because it's fiber that we've eaten. But here we're looking at excretion. This is a product of our metabolism. So it is a product and a chemical that we've made in our body. An easy example to think of is carbon dioxide that we excrete via the lungs. We make that when we are using energy in our bodies and we excrete it. It's made in our bodies. So what's going on in the liver is we are creating a substance called urea, and then that is released into the blood, goes all the way around the body until it gets to the kidneys, and it can be excreted in the urine. Some stuff is secreted into and removed in the bile. This will then get excreted into the small intestine. Remember, the bile is produced in the liver also. It's stored in the gallbladder and secreted via the bile duct into the small intestine.